Good afternoon everyone, I'm here today at the wonderful Villa Paloma. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa situated on a large and slightly elevated plot. Just thought I'd come and show you this side as well. This is actually a 222 metre build size with a garden of 896 metres. As you can see here, this is double door access into the main bedroom. And just coming round to a different area of the garden, we've also got 2 detached storage sheds here. Just coming round to the side of the villa, I just wanted to show you the access point. This is actually a concrete driveway leading into gravel. I can't show you all the way because the current owner's car's there. But as you can see, to gain access into this property you have to enter through these beautiful double row iron gates. I'll just give you a little view of the front garden here. And this is the front garden to the villa. This is a really spacious piece of garden with some lovely views. I'm not sure if I'm tall enough for you to see. This garden benefits from high walls, just enhancing the privacy you get, and some wonderful trees and some shrubs. It's just very low maintenance but beautiful to look at. And of course you've got the covered porch here with an ample seating area. Lovely. And this here is door access straight into the kitchen from the front of the home. I just wanted to give you a different angle of that shaded porch there. Oh, typical car starting up as I'm videoing. Just coming off that shaded porch there and into this wonderful airy lounge area. This boasts a pellet fireplace and archway access into the dining / kitchen area, which we'll see in a minute. And also further round to the right we've got access to the hallways, which gives access to all of the bedrooms and bathrooms. Leading through from the lounge area into this spacious dining area, which actually connects straight onto the kitchen as well. Give you a whole pan around of this. This dining area, also has access straight out into the back garden again. And continuing into the kitchen from the dining room, we've got granite worktops and kickboards, all white units. We've got a water filter system, and of course you can't forget the gas hob and the electric oven. And as I mentioned earlier, this is actually the door that I pointed out to you before that leads out to the front garden area. I've just made my way back through from the kitchen area, and first room we've met with is this lovely family bathroom with the glass curtain, bidet wash, all the essentials. And just next to this bathroom we've got the first guest room, which is currently being used as an office as well from the owner. And I should also point out all the bedrooms have these built-in ceiling fans, which is absolutely perfect for this heat. Just want to give you a good pan around of this room. It's a very good size, very spacious, and nice and cool in here considering the temperature outside. And as we exit this bedroom, we come into this nice light airy hallway, and we make our way through into the next guest bedroom, which is here. Again, point out that ceiling fan. And this has got a nice view out onto the back garden as well. And just next to that guest bedroom we come into the master bedroom, which has access out into the back garden as I pointed out before. This has also got built-in wardrobe storage space. It is perfect. And to finish off this wonderful room, we actually have an ensuite bathroom of a very good size with a walk-in shower. Not that you can see that very well. I also just wanted to mention that all of the bedrooms feature metal blinds, security wreckers and remote control fans and fly nets. This property is now available for viewings. Please email us at cledohomes@hotmail.com or call us on 950 430 763. Bye, thank you.